So hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain how to merge Scopus and Web of Science data. So most of the research scholars are coming and asking, sir, I have extracted data from Web of Science. I have extracted data from Scopus also. Now I want that I will merge both the data set. If there are some duplicate rows or duplicate data that will be removed, then I will perform the bibliometric analysis because most of the reputed journals demand that the analysis should be from the data set which have been extracted from different databases. So it's a very interesting topic. So hope you people will like. So for understanding purpose, here you will see this is the folder which I have created, and this folder is containing two type of data. Here you will see that is the data which I've extracted from Web of Science, and this is the data which I've extracted from Scopus. Correct. So now I'm going to explain how to merge these two data set. So for that, I will use R programming language. So let's quickly go to the R programming language. So I hope you have a basic understanding of R. So the first step is we need to run library, that is bibliometrics, which I hope you have already installed. So installation is necessary. So once you will install, select that particular file and click on run option. Okay, that's fine. Now the second thing is I'm going to tell how to import the Web of Science data. So since I have already shown that this is the path where I have stored my data set, and here the most important thing is that Web of Science data should be in which format? It should be in .txt format. So please remember, whenever you are extracting data from Web of Science, it must be from which format? .txt. So while extracting or while downloading, Web of Science database asked that in which format you want to download. So please remember, use .txt option. So since I've already uploaded downloaded that particular data set, and this is the path I have used. So as I've already told, my data set is available in which folder? Merge Scopus Web of Science, and this is our data set name. So let's quickly execute that particular line. Here again, it's fine. Now the second thing is I want to check whether my data set has been extracted in R or not. And so for that, the command is view, and this is the variable in which I have stored my data set. So now I'm giving command, please view web data. Again, execute that particular command. And once you will execute, you will see the whole data set will be available in front of you. So this is the data set, whole data set you can see. Here you can see it's giving the detail that the total there are 169 entries, means 169 rows, which will be comprises of 59 different type of columns. So here you can see the AU, author, affiliation, these all are the columns name. So let's go to our file, merge Scopus file. So now let's quickly import the Scopus data. So again, the process is same. Here the code, while writing code, you need to be little bit careful. First important thing is when you are going to download Scopus data, the format should be .csv. Again, remember the format should be .csv. And in code, you need to mention database source from which type of database you have extracted. So here in double quotes, please write Scopus, and format, since the format is .csv, so you need to write format equal to csv. So please, so you can easily write. I hope that in whole example it's a coding of hardly 5 to 6 lines, so you can exclude that comment part, that is only for explanation purpose. So let's quickly execute this particular line. Now I want to check my Scopus data whether it has been imported in R properly or not. So view command again I have written. Fantastic. So here you can see again the same type of information, but here it's showing the number of entries are 303, and it's comprises of 53 different columns. Okay, so that file has also been imported or connected to the R. Again, I'm going to merge Scopus file. Now the next, I want to merge Scopus and Web of Science data, and also I want to remove duplicate data. So for that, command is, the function is merge database sources. The first file, web data, I have connected in which variable? Web data. So that's why I have written web data. Scopus data you have downloaded in Scopus data, so that's the variable name is Scopus data. So here you can see I have written Scopus data, and then the next argument is remove dot duplicate true, means I am telling that yes, I want to duplicate, I want to remove all the duplicate data. That's why I selected option true. So let's quickly execute that particular part also. I want to see that particular file. Again, click on. Wow. So now you can see that now there are total 344 entries and 83 columns are there. So both the files have already been, you can say, merged. Correct. So here you can say this is the merged file of Scopus and Web of Science. Now the next thing is I want to export that file because we want to export the final file which we have obtained after merging the Web of Science and Scopus data. So while merging, that file is available in which variable? The variable name is combined. So here you will see I will use variable or file xlsx, execute that particular line, and the command is write.xls. Here you need to be little bit careful while writing the file. So here you will see you need to give the same path where your Web of Science and Scopus data is available. So till that part you will see that path is almost same. Here you will see that path is same, and from here I have put my file name, or the merge file name is merge file. So what instructions I want to give, that kindly store the merged file into the this particular folder, and the file name should be merge file.xls. So let's quickly execute that particular line, run, and write command also run. So I hope that file should be written. So let's quickly check. So as I've already shown you the folder, yes, so this is the folder which I have shown. Now let's refresh it, and I hope that file should be available here if everything is. So here you can see that the merge file is available. So this is the merge file which is available in XLSX format, and you can utilize that total file directly into Biblioshiny app and perform a lot of analysis. So I hope that part is clear to all of you. Keep doing, keep practicing, and uh, become masters in how to perform bibliometric analysis. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.